So hey guys, good morning, and this is day 14 and I came on my terrace. I woke up at 5:30 am, sorry at 5 am, but I put my phone on the charger and then I did my housework little bit and then I am here on my roof or terrace you can say. With this now I am here for some minutes and I will do my exercise, meditation, and I will enjoy this moment and I will sit here for the next 30 minutes. So I have just uploaded the video of day 13 and now I am going to do my exercise. So I have just completed my exercise and meditation and now I am going to practice the tongue twister sentences to make my voice clear. I will totally try to focus on the words to make it according to the tone. If my tone is like happy energetic mood, so I will speak in that tone. But if my sentence is in the like serious things about the serious things, so I will speak like in that tone and I will also focus to improve this area too. And you can see that the sweat on my face. It's 7:45 am and I have completed my tongue twister practice. And it took me 20 to 25 minutes, maybe around, I don't know, but I practiced without focusing on time. And now I am going in my room and then see what I will do, and whatever I will do I will explain, I will say in next video, means in the next clip. Bye. So hi, it's 4 p.m. and when I go in my room, then I started using my mobile in search of getting idea for my project. And then after I did my breakfast and I still continue watching YouTube videos to learn something, and then I took a nap of 1 hour. So this was all about the thing that I have done till now, and now I am going to play, and I have planned to play, and let's see, I will make the video after that. So hi, it's 4 p.m. and I am here to express something. If I talk about the day, so this is the day 14 and I have completed almost 2/3 of the building a habit that we all heard, that we can build anything in the 21 day. Currently I don't think about the results, and I am the thing that I am doing and that I am practicing. For this time I am not thinking about the result, so I am continuously uploading on the YouTube instead of getting the views and everything. I want to make myself better. This is my first purpose. But what I am thinking that after completing this 21 or 30 days, I am thinking to build something that can help me to earn money. And I am getting idea that what should I do or not. I have also, and for this I have thought lots of things that what can I do. I see myself what the capability I have. I am interested in fitness freaks, means I don't in the fitness freaks. Fitness freaks doesn't mean that I like the making what to say. Leave it. I'm not getting the word that how to say this. Means I don't want to say that do this for getting this muscle. I am not want to do like that. And the second thing that I am doing, that I am learning a skill that we all say. Like I have heard that, I don't know this is a skill or not, but I am learning a skill that I got interested in trading. Trading I also do, but I got lost, and from that I thought that time that from now I will learn this skill. Everyone is making money, so why I can't? And for this I am, and in the starting when I started doing the learning about this trading things, when I knew about this, so I have learned about many times, means most 2-3 months I have gave the time to this. Means I have lots of videos. I have watched lots of videos related or regarding to trading, stock market, finance, everything. And in that time I know many things. So, but that time I don't know what to do and not to do, because we all get trapped in the money. Because money is the first thing that makes greed in the human. And I also got greed, and in the result I got lost. I lost my approx, I don't know how much money, but at least 7 to 8k, and that is really very much for me. And the second thing that I have to tell you that, so for this thing I am thinking to build something, and that time, and in that time too I am thinking about that I should make my personal brand. But at the other time I also think that no, I should to keep it private. Means I will not let the world allow let the world know that who I am. I will just create the content like this. I will share and I will motivate and I will express my journey that I am there. Means in the suspense way. And other thing that I want to do, that I will make myself as a creator or as a guy that is unconfident but having a step towards the being a confident guy. So I am thinking these two things, and for this I am getting the idea. I am thinking the idea that how will I edit my video, how will I document my life, and how will I think that, because it's 17th August, and almost after, and in 13 days it will end. August is about to end, and then the only September we left, and in the end of September the festivals are getting coming, and from then the 1 month will be disturbed in the festivals. Means we got free and we all do the housework. Like if the Diwali came, then we started doing the cleaning of our house. So from that time, and because of the festivals, means most of the people will get diverted. And I also think that if I too can be distracted from this, means that time I will have the making time of making video or not. So I'm just thinking about this, and I don't know that how will I execute this idea. I have recorded the video of everything, but now what I think that I should, as I said that I am practicing for this, so I started making video by opening my camera to be more fluent. So I am also thinking that I will not make the continuous. I am stuck in between these two things, but I am getting the idea that what should I do. I have almost completed half of my day to start the things. Then I will try to explore the things after 30 days to have a look on the earning side. But I am currently looking for the first growth and building a discipline for this thing in this sector. Currently I am loving it. If I say honestly, yeah, I am loving it. Means I'm not seeing the time that what is happening, but I'm seeing that I'm just thinking that I have to complete my work that I am currently. I will maintain. I will what the things that I promised to myself. I'm trying to keep that doing that things on the time. Means I will wake up early, and then I will come on my terrace, and then there I will practice my exercise and yoga and everything. And then, sorry, I'm getting the call, so just complete it first, and so I will go there because I planned to play cricket, so I will go there. So where you are? So I'm building a habit. Then I will do the housework. If I have to go on work with my father, then I will go and I will manage that thing. And I've done many things, and I also practiced that. I also thought that I will keep practicing to make videos over by opening the camera like this, and I will start speaking without thinking anything. And you can observe that the first day when I started making video, how it was, and currently how it is. And I have one thing that I have less fear. Means I am not getting more confident because I can speak here, that is on the terrace, but I am not having the confident that I can speak anywhere. And I am here to see you the weather that is Ah, let's see the weather. Mm, you can see. It's 9:45 p.m. and I am on my terrace. So, whatever you have listened and that I have said in this video is all about the day that you have seen. And come to the point. It was not the bad day because I kept growing up and there are more things to say, but I will not make this video so long, so I am stopping this video here. And thank you. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so just go and subscribe it and give me a little support because you will be grateful. So thank you and bye.